Do you want to uninstall Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. This video offers multiple ways to uninstall Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office 2024 or 2021 from your Windows computer. If you cannot uninstall Office using the control panel or settings on Windows systems, this video will help you. Let's get started. Method 1. Using control panel. Restart your computer, then try removing Office from control panel. To do that, open control panel using Windows search. Then head to Programs and Features, then uninstall a program. Select your Office installation, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to uninstall Office. Method 2. Via Windows Settings. To uninstall Office from your Windows 11 computer, open Settings, then go to Apps, then Install Apps. Search for Office and select it. Click on the three dots menu. Click Uninstall to uninstall the program. You can uninstall the Office programs from here. Cannot uninstall Microsoft Office. If you can't uninstall Microsoft Office, then this could happen if the installation process did not complete when you try to install a new program, or the uninstall process did not go through as expected, or the previously installed Office program installation files may have been corrupted. If you cannot uninstall Office, use these tools. Method 3. Office Uninstall Support Tool. Download the Microsoft Office Uninstall tool from Microsoft. Run setup_prod_off scrub and it will launch the uninstaller. Use it to altogether remove your Office installation. Method 4. Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant CMD version. Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant will help you uninstall Office programs and resolve Office 365 apps, Outlook, OneDrive, Windows, Dynamics 365 and other problems. The consumer version of Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant has been deprecated. The Sarah graphical utility is no longer supported as a standalone program. It has been integrated into Microsoft's Get Help app. Microsoft officially ceased support for the tool in November 2024. Despite the depreciation, the enterprise version of Sarah, which is a command line tool, is still available for download from Microsoft's official site. For now, you can follow this guide to know how to use the Sarah CMD tool. Method 5. Third-party tools. You can use the offscrub script to remove Office, which is available on GitHub. If you are using earlier versions of Office, you could try this utility called Rip Out Office. Create a system restore point first before using this software. Rip Out Office is a third-party freeware tool that completely uninstalls Office from your PC when the standard uninstall process fails. But the comments indicate that this tool does not work properly on Windows. You can also use Revo Uninstaller or IOBit Uninstaller. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.